Welcome back, guys, to another fine day here in Surrey and to my Defender 110, where I wanted to show you my seats. It's been probably almost 12 months since I had these done, and it's long overdue, this video, but you've probably seen them in quite a few other videos, and I thought I'd dedicate one specifically to the seats. Now, these are done by a company called Individual Auto Design. They're otherwise known as SeatSkinz, and they look amazing. They are literally custom fitted seat covers, believe it or not. So the original seats remain in the vehicle, and these just go over the top of them. Now, I have to stress, they are not like the ones you get from Halfords or eBay. Obviously, they're more expensive than that, but the amount of design work that has gone into creating these for every single make and model out there is just an unbelievable amount of hours. And that's reflected obviously in the price, but it's also reflected in the quality and the level of service you get from these guys as well. They offer a mobile fitting service, or you can go to them. They're up in Wigan and they will fit your car on site. Now, these are fully customizable and there are over 1 million designs to choose from. They've got a configurator on their site. I went for the perforated Alcantara centers, and this is a leather effect. It's not real leather, but also the stitching, I chose a contrast stitch. You can literally do whatever you want. They do all the different colors of the rainbow you can imagine for the stitching. Even the leather, the Alcantara, it literally is completely up to you. But because it's all custom, you get a fit that is the equivalent of literally just a complete retrim, which is just amazing. They have padding built into them as well, so they make your OEM seats just a little bit more comfortable. And in the Defender, you do notice the seats aren't that comfy on long trips. So the fact they've got a bit of added padding in there is welcomed. And I think it does actually help the heated seats somehow. It seems to distribute the heat better. So it just seems to work much better now compared to how it did beforehand. The seat covers are massively robust, a lot better than I even thought they were going to be. I knew they'd be good, but you know, we got 2 kids and we use this car quite a bit. And yeah, even with heavy car seats in the back, I'll show you this one. This is with probably the heaviest of the car seats. Even there's only a couple little marks. And on the other side, this is a lighter car seat, and yeah, hardly any marks at all. Even in the front, you'll notice, I'm quite heavy. I'm 13, 14 stone-ish, so I sit here all the time, and yeah, there's very little marks or degradation, which is amazing. And obviously on the passenger side, my wife sits here. She weighs as much as a fairy, I have to say that. So yeah, obviously that seat is like brand new, which is perfect. But the finished look really is, it looks like a professional retrim. It's just that good quality. But obviously it's without the cost. You haven't got to spend thousands and thousands. You can install these yourself if you want to. I had the guys come over here and they installed them for me. They did an absolutely amazing job with them. They just look absolutely perfect. SeatSkinz are also on the LLF card, which is an automotive discounts membership card. You pay a few pound a month and you get access to discounts all over the UK at automotive shops. You can also get a discount on the SeatSkinz through that too, so I'll leave all the links in the description for you to take a look. SeatSkinz also retrimmed the cubby box, and they did the grab handle and the dash car and a couple of little bits inside the car. So yeah, the whole car just looks really nice now. So if you want to upgrade the interior of your Defender, or any make or model to be honest, just check out SeatSkinz. Really great company, great guys, highly recommend them, and they do them for pretty much every make and model of car. They've got all the designs saved in their files. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider subscribing, hit the thumbs up, drop a comment, and I will see you soon.